Yes, this is shocking, guys, because the price of Bitcoin has broken one of the most important line of support which we had around this 20,900 to 21,000 area, and now we are flashing this free fall type of scenario which played out here in August month. Yes, if we look at this CPR from August month, the price of Bitcoin, when we had this VCPR type of formation, because if we look at this CPR lines for this July month, you can see the next month CPR actually was a VCPR. Price was choosing a trend direction without touching the CPR line. What does in most of the case happen? Price gets gravitated around the CPR line. You can see we came back to test the CPR line support, and after that we had this relief rally type of scenario. But when the price of Bitcoin failed to touch the first monthly target line, the monthly R1 line, that indicated a weakness, a sign of weakness, and after that the price of Bitcoin started showing this corrective movement like this. You can see the price also approached exactly at this monthly S1 line. Yes, the monthly S1 line is going to be looked as our target level once we lose the support from this CPR lines, top, central, and the bottom CPR line. And now if we look in our case, after this relief rally type of scenario, right, in our case the price of Bitcoin also, guys, also formed the VCPR for this November month, because after this October month CPR, you can see here the price of Bitcoin had this really nice relief rally, and when we started this November month, this was a VCPR, just like from this past price action where the price got gravitated at the bottom, top CPR line. We had this relief rally just like here from the past price action, a pullback towards the top CPR line, a relief rally, and price failing to touch the monthly R1 line just like here indicated a weakness and also a reversal like this. And now since the price of Bitcoin has also failed to hold the support from this top CPR line, central CPR line, and now the final line of support which we have is this bottom CPR line lining around 19,600. Please be careful, guys. If we do lose the support from this 19,600, then this could be another free fall type of scenario here like this, and in that case this monthly S1 line, just like here from the August month, is going to be looked as our potential upcoming target between 18,500 to 18,700 range. So please, guys, please be careful and watch this support line which we have around 19,600 very closely, because we don't want the daily to close below that area. And beside this, even if we look at this Bollinger Band squeeze, guys, this Bollinger Band squeeze looks like it is failing. Yes, because we were not supposed to break the support which we had between 20,900 to 21,000 range, because that was also the area where we had this central line support, right, from this Bollinger Band, which got broken, and now the price is clearly below the middle band, which is also a sign of weakness, because breaking the middle band usually triggers some movement here in this manner where we could be again getting gravitated around the lower band area, because we know if this lower band gets broken, then the price is going to be starting another corrective movement here like this. Because if we look here to the downside, MACD has started turning bearish. This is a bearish MACD cross. RSI line has started appearing below 50 level. T3CCI indicator has just started appearing in a negative territory, which is actually a very bearish scenario. So please, guys, please be careful and do not over leverage yourself. This was the reason why I was actually warning you with so many different examples. Please do not over leverage yourself. Use proper risk management strategy, because market right now is very volatile. Beside this example, even this ascending channel scenario has failed out, because we were expecting the price after this retest around this upper line to hold the line, right, the support between 20,900 to 21,000 range. But I was very clear about this. If the support around 20,900 21,000 gets broken, then it is a fail breakout, and price after that could be starting a corrective movement here in this manner. And now you can see the price is showing this weakness, and right now if you look at this here in this way, then this lower rising trend line is going to be looked as our potential support line for Bitcoin, which we have around 19,300, 19,200 area. Yes guys, for the medium short term, this could be a next potential target where we could be testing very soon, but it doesn't mean the price is going to see a correct movement. Right now we could be seeing a movement here like this, some consolidation, and again a pullback here towards this rising trend line, the lower rising trend line around 19,200, 19,300 area. But we know guys, we know the price has faked out this one formation exactly like we predicted, because I showed you with the previous example, if we do fail to hold the line which previously acted as a resistance, as a support, then there is a very high probability that we are going to see a movement here in this manner, and this breakout could be turned into a perfect fake out. And it actually did. I mean, the price after losing the support has clearly indicated this corrective movement, and we even came across this 19,300, 19,350 area. So in the medium short term guys, there could be some relief rally after this kind of corrective movement. Please be careful, but it doesn't mean the trend could be changing very soon, because I just showed you with the previous example here the indicators bearish, and also this one example in the past price action has clearly indicated us relief rally could be on the line like this, price testing the support, and then again showing this corrective movement. So guys, so what I'm trying to show you here is that the price here in a medium short term has faked out, and we right now could be preparing ourselves for this corrective movement from here on. But if we do get lucky, right, if we do get lucky, then we could be coming back to retest this support which you had here in a weekly time frame. If we are lucky, I mean, the price here was actually getting rejection from this upper line area, right? You can see this upper line has rejected the price a couple of times in the past price action. Rejection, and if this pullback is going to be there, it's happening, then this could be a potential retest, and price could show a movement here in this manner. But what must happen for this scenario to play out? For this scenario to play out guys, we don't want the price to close the daily candle below the 19,300, 19,200 area, because if we do close the daily candle below, that means the price has clearly indicated a weakness, and this is actually a perfect corrective movement like this. No longer a falling wedge, but a descending triangle, and descending triangle is considered as a bearish scenario. You can see descending triangle, right? Once the lower line support got broken, we had this clear corrective movement. So this is what we want to avoid, and to avoid this, the price of Bitcoin must remain above this bottom CPI line around 19,600, and if we do break that, then please be careful guys, the price of Bitcoin could be starting this actual trend reversal here to the downward direction. So these are some quick updates that I wanted to share with you in today's video. If you enjoyed my work, then please destroy that like button, and for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit the subscribe button and the bell. Now by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye.